Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. You know, for me, I was told by Nanay Ningning, Ate Hana, Kuya Mel, even Nanay Banji and Ate Olive, and even Jerick Silva and and even Apollo Sanchez and Lawrence Villawan, or my other friends from CDIFI, Jens Manaid, and even the parents of Jens Manaid also, and even among my friends from CDIFI, Buddy Castro, oh, including even Ate Charmaine Aloyan and Wawel Romero, they told me, do not harass Teacher May. She is my former teacher, you know, Paulo Cruzada. Teacher May is not related about the rivalry of Bongbong Marcos and Sara Duterte. Walang kinalaman dyan ni Teacher May, you know. Teacher May is also a SPED teacher. If she is a pro Duterte, if she is anti Marcos, what's the problem? Oh, I know, right? What's the problem? Me, I use the playbook from Extraordinary Attorney Wu. Me, I'm also high function ADHD autism. Can you please, Paulo Cruzada, just stop harassing Teacher May? You know I send this evidence to Teacher May. When I upload this YouTube, you threaten to hostage her. Why did you hostage Teacher May? Paulo Cruzada. You don't know what her exact address is. You know, Teacher May, she is my former teacher. The time I study in CDIFI. Teacher May has lots of stuff when she was my SPED teacher. But the time when I was in CDIFI, oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, it is better to say to you, when I was told by Nanay Ningning and also Jerick Silva, mag-basketball ka na lang, I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, you play basketball. Me, I always play basketball with RM last 2024. Oh, when my mom asked me to buy what is it? Nor cubes for a steak. Oh, I play basketball with RM. Oh, and then after basketball, I take a rest. Oh, and then how can we use our mental health to play PS4? Oh, aside basketball, PS4. Aside the PS4, may I fix my mental health to fix to 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 play basketball, to play PS4. Oh, instead. And then after that, I make my own YouTube vlog. Oh, that will fix your mental health. Paulo Cruzada. Look at Bill Galang. When he makes his own YouTube vlog, he fixes mental health. You know, Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, your parents had told you you are special also. And your mom asked me, you are a special child. Why are you threatening to hostage Teacher May? That she doesn't do anything to you? Paulo Cruzada. Oh. Look at you, Paulo Cruzada. You and your family went to Japan. You and your family went to Hong Kong. Look at the other kids. They didn't go to Hong Kong, even Japan. Look at Ate Mirasol and Paulo Siaco. They never go to Japan. Oh, they stayed there in Canada. Same as Ate Mirasol. Oh, Ate Marisol always visit Canada also, same as Yvette. You, Paulo Cruzada, you're always enjoying to travel there in Japan. Look at Nanay Ning Ning. Oh, she wants to travel to Japan. She enjoy with there in Japan because I know she's German. Oh, like you, Paulo Cruzada. You're enjoying in Japan, Tokyo. You buy anime. You take pictures with the Japanese women with anime. You know, Paulo Cruzada. Do not threaten to hostage Teacher May. Teacher May is my former teacher. Ah, because Rafael Tiburcio had read the messages from you. And Rafael says, why does Paulo Cruzada hostage Teacher May? Why does Paulo Cruzada to threaten to hostage Teacher May? Just to know, Paulo Cruzada is pretending he is ISIS. Oh, he's pretending like ISIS wannabe. Oh, and now you see Ronald Rebena had criticized you. Maiya ka naman. You're threatening to hostage Teacher May and you don't know what her exact address is. You can bring a pellet gun there. Where's your weapon? Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you know what? Tapang-tapangan ka kasi, Paulo Cruzada. You know, Joseph Maspinas criticized you. Even Josh Gozo is criticizing you and he says, puro ka lang tapang, oh. And you know, Paulo Cruzada, you're threatening to hostage anybody. What if I'm gonna say to you, Paulo Cruzada, if someone who shoot you a pellet gun with a shotgun, Paulo Cruzada, oh, from Josh Gozo, oh. Josh Gozo has a shotgun. He can blow your pieces in your head. Oh. You want to be like that, Paulo Cruzada? Why did you do that to Teacher May? Teacher May is my former teacher. She doesn't do anything to you. Like Teacher May says, I did nothing to do to you, Paulo Cruzada. I did nothing. I do nothing to do to you, Paulo Cruzada. Like what you said before, I did nothing to do to you, Paulo Cruzada, because I know you are my former student of CDIFI. I did nothing to do whatever to say. I did nothing to do to you, Mr. Paulo Cruzada. Hindi kita hindi kita inaaway like what she said to you. Oh, you know, Teacher May is doing whatever to take that to the experience to build the better for everyone, not to start this death threats over her. You know, Paulo Cruzada, say that again. You know, Teacher Evelyn is very upset. You know that. Even the other CDIFI teachers are very angry at you. Oh, for what you just did. Even Teacher Jessa, Teacher Lendel, including what else? Teacher May, Teacher Marisa, Teacher Riza, Teacher Mirna, and Teacher Chris. Do not harass them. If they are anti-Marcos, if they are pro-Duterte, what's the problem? They are SPED teachers of CDIFI. What's their problem? And they're all former teachers when I was there. That is why Teacher Connie had reprimanded you, because you are very wrong, Paulo Cruzada. And even even the others, you are very wrong. At least Teacher Honey was did not reprimand Paulo Cruzada, because I know Teacher Honey was in the time that she is retired from CDIFI. Oh, she is still working in South Korea as a OFW. You know, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. She, you know, if Teacher May's mom died, who will taking who will send the condolence about about your attitude, Paulo Cruzada? Nothing. If what uh, for example, if your parents died, Paulo Cruzada, pag namatay ang magulang mo, Paulo Cruzada, who will taking care of you? Sino ba aalagaan sa iyo? Like I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, if your attitude is always like that, nothing. Nobody to cares to you. Because people are hating you, Paulo Cruzada. Because you know, the CDIFI schoolmates like Wawel, Ate Charmaine, and even Kuya Kroll Ramirez and Ate Franz, and especially Kuya Sam Eranjo, Buddy Castro, and Sir Paulo Cuwa, they didn't like you anymore. Even Jens, even 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 others, they don't really like you. Even Kathleen, even Apple, they didn't like you. They don't really like you, Paulo Cruzada. You have to stop harassing Teacher May. You know, Teacher Mirna's husband, Bing, had criticized you because do not harass Teacher Mirna's friend, Teacher May. Because, you know, it's really hurt. You do not threaten to hostage her. Teacher May is doing what's her best for everyone. You know, me and Sir William Ducut, we do not criticize Teacher May. Even others, I know me, I don't want to criticize Teacher May. I remove Teacher May in my enemy list. Because I know she is my former teacher. When I watch Batang Quiapo about Tanggol and David Dimagiba, David Dimagiba is threatening to threatening to assassinate Tanggol. He's threatening to kill Tanggol. What is really happened? David Dimagiba had already refrained to kill Tanggol because he said that he's my brother. And he cannot do that. Oh, like me, I cannot do that to Teacher May. She is my former teacher. If she's my enemy, if she's not my teacher, she is my former teacher when I was in CDIFI. This is hard to say, Paulo Cruzada. You always politicalize about you are a Marcos loyalist, and you're saying about you're an ISIS, and you're saying about you're threatening to hostage Teacher May. It's very incompetent. Teacher May is my former teacher. You know, the time I helped Jens Manaid. I helped that kid Bien. When I was in CDIFI. I helped my my friend Paula Colin Nunez, my classmate, to tie her shoes. And even I talk with Lawrence Villawan, and we talk each other. We are friends with Lawrence. Oh, Lawrence is my best. Lawrence is my good friend. Oh, how would you ever do that, Paulo Cruzada? Oh, how did you do that? Like, for example, why did you, if what if you harass Teacher Vincent's former student, RJ, if you threatening to hostage him and even his family? Oh, if you know that, Paulo Cruzada, RJ Gonzalez, he doesn't know you. Hindi ka kilala. Because RJ is also my friend. Oh, do not threaten to hostage Teacher May. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, if someday, oh, if if Ronald Mark Joshua Pasione Bato de la Rosa and and Christopher Bong RJ Gonzalez Go will will file the cases against you, Paulo Cruzada. You will go to the jail, Paulo Cruzada. If you want to be in jail, you should be put in trial in the court together with Joseph Maspinas, Teacher May, and even who else? Even Joseph Maspinas, oh, Sophia Abad Sultan, and even Josh Gozo. He will he will bring you in the court, Paulo Cruzada, for what crimes you did to the former teachers of CDIFI. And you know what crimes that you did? Your crimes for what you did to Teacher May. I expected that. You know, Teacher May, she's a teacher of CDIFI. She's working very hard, as I expected. Teacher May, she is my former teacher. I know I have a picture of Teacher May. The time when she uploaded in my YouTube video. I share it from Jared Dino and also to Apollo Sanchez. What is that video from Teacher May? Riz 823. Oh, that's a video of Teacher May. Teacher May is my former teacher. You should not threaten to hostage her. Oh, that's all.